Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? This is your boy Musa. I am doing good, amazing. I hope you are doing good. And so, uh, getting straight into the video, you can tell from the title that this video is regarding the checklist that any travel biker should follow. So, I am a travel biker. I have done 2 major trips to the north of Pakistan. Other than that, I have been to some small trips, intercity trips, obviously, not within the city. So, I know a little bit about travel biking, so I'll be sharing with you the travel checklist that I follow according to my experience and all the aftermarket accessories that I use that I have installed in my motorcycle. So, just for you to know that what is the use of what aftermarket accessory and why do we really need it. So, without wasting any time, let's go to my garage and look at the aftermarket parts installed in my motorcycle and whatever I have in that top box. So, let's go. So here we are in the garage. This is my bike. This is a Suzuki GS 150 SE. It has engine with a displacement of 150cc, front and back alloy wheels, front disc brake, and that is it. Yeah, no inverted shocks, just telescopic forks, and yep. Okay, so let's start from the front of the bike and then we shall go towards the back of the bike. Okay, so if you can see in front, I've installed 2 lights on the suspension, 1 on the crash guard. So the main purpose of these lights, in fact these lights are used most of the times, so but that light is just for ground clearance. Whenever we are in mountains, there is a problem. Whenever we turn on the curves, these lights turn along with the suspension. Obviously these lights are attached to the suspension, and whenever we turn the handle, it turns with it. That light on the other hand stays static, so that is just for cornering in the mountains at night, because it is dead black in mountains at night. There are no street lights obviously. Here I have installed windshield just for the air pressure, a very basic need of any travel biker. To avoid air pressure, you need a windscreen. So this here is the windscreen. For that purpose, installed hand guards to protect the levers, these levers, and obviously my hands too. Other than that, I have installed anti-reflection mirrors in these side mirrors. These are not the stock side mirrors. I have modified these side mirrors with anti-reflection mirrors. Same goes with this. And here you can see this is my mobile phone holder, a very important thing again for navigation. These are switches for different lights. This is for the light on the suspension, this is for the light on the crash guard. This is a charger. You can see this is a charger. I am having a 12-volt supply here, some USBs here, and this is the on and off switch. Okay, other than that, I have a hazard button here because this bike does not has hazard built into it, so I have installed it aftermarket. This crash guard is more of a gimmick only because it is installed on a single rod, so it is not actually very protective. So I will be changing it soon. It is a very non-issue of this motorcycle that these bars bend from this point. So I have installed a support here just to strengthen it. And now here is the top box. I usually have side bags that hang over here on the both sides like this. You can see these bags are around 48 liters both combined. Getting back to the top box. So this is the top box. Let me open it. Okay. So first of all, this is just another shirt. Forget about it. I am having my gloves, my rain suit. It is a two-piece. Trouser is separate and the jacket is separate. So it goes my rain suit. These are my knee pads. I have a padded jacket but not padded trousers, so I keep these knee pads with me. This is a mini foot pump for air pump. Other than that, okay, let's get deep into it now. Okay, these are the brackets for the bags. This is just another tape. You need it. You never know when you need a tape. So this is a race cable. This is a clutch wire. These are some basic tools. The nut openers, screwdrivers, things like that. Okay. This is what we call a throttle handler or a manual cruise control. These are some bungee wires. These are very important. Bungee wires are very important while traveling. These are the simplest and easiest kind of ropes for any type of luggage. Yeah, they can handle any type of luggage. So these are very important. I am having like 4 of them, and I keep some engine oil here too, because when you are traveling intercity on a motorcycle, you need extra engine oil with you. That was pretty much about the aftermarket accessories on my motorcycle. Welcome back from the garage. I hope you like the enhancements and the aftermarket parts that are installed in my motorcycle, and they help me a lot. So I wish the same for you guys. So let me just quickly go through the checklist that I follow and that every biker should at least follow. It is very important and it is very helpful. So the first thing in the checklist is toolkit. I showed you one in the top box. Other than that, a proper tire repair kit and an air pump. So tire repair kit is very important, just in case you get a flat tire, your trip is ruined. So other than that, we have bungee cords, extra bike key, obviously bike papers, obviously saddlebags, obviously waterproof cover for your saddlebags, obviously helmet, your protective gear, your jacket, your knee pads, your safety boots, yes, your rain jackets, and yes, that is pretty much it. When I went for the bike trip, for my first bike trip, I never knew about these. So over the time I've learned about it, and I've learned about it from different motorcyclists, and I'm really thankful to them. So the next time you guys go on a bike trip, I hope this video helps you a lot, and because these are things that I've learned over the time, and these have helped me a lot, and these are very essential things. So best of luck for your bike trip if you are planning one, and if you aren't planning one and you want to plan one, you can ask me anything in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer that in the next videos. So this is it from my side. Remember me in your prayers. Till we meet again, like and subscribe. Thank you. This is take 19 and I cannot even record my intro. I don't know from where should I bring all this amazing energy, but I'm trying. I am trying. So take 20 now. Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? This is your boy Musa. I am doing good, amazing. I hope you are doing good, and I wish you all the best with your life. So